If you are manifesting something, or you have some experience with manifesting something consciously, then you must be aware of self-concepts or identity shifting. You know how important these are to manifest something. Many people try to do it, some achieve some results while others don't. But in this video, I will share with you one thing that would help you to shift your identity very easily. I have witnessed people doing it, and you can do it too. It's pretty easy. Before we jump into that, let's understand the importance of self-concepts. Self-concepts just mean the concepts that one holds. The self is referred to as you. Self-concepts are beliefs that you hold. Now, this is not limited to the concerns that you hold only about yourself. It is about the concepts you hold about everything. Whether you think of me, another person, or yourself, it is your idea. That is why it is a self-concept. Identity is an island within the ocean of self-concept. Identity is a part of you. It is something you conceptualize for yourself. You identify yourself with something each and every moment. The vast majority of the time, it is unintentional. It is not like you are walking outside and telling yourself, I am this or that. It is natural. It is the work of the mind. You have identified yourself with some religion, habits, personality traits, emotions, country, etc. This identity of yours is responsible for your daily activities, the way you feel, the way you respond, and the way you behave. When someone says something that contradicts your identification, you are triggered and respond in a different way. All because you identify yourself with something. You have seen this going on in this physical world, where people with different beliefs are fighting each other in the name of religion, race, country, etc. They fail to recognize that all these identifications were adopted by them at some point in time, and it is not about right or wrong, good or bad. It is all about individuality. Even you, my viewer, have identified yourself with the concepts of manifestation and spirituality. Anyways, I hope by now you have realized that these identifications were accepted by you at some point in time, as you were born with a body, and the only identification you had was that of a boy or a girl based upon your gender. Rest were adopted and accepted by you from your parents or your surroundings. With time, these identifications become stronger within you, and you see the world solely through the lens of these identifications. You do things, meet people, and interact with the world based upon these identifications. And what you manifest is also based upon these identifications alone. Your life experience is based on these identifications. To change your life, you must change your identification, and you can do that by shifting your current identity to your desired identity. Neville Goddard has said, change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Do not try to change people. They are only messengers telling you who you are. Revalue yourself, and they will confirm the change. Yet, every time we face some issue, we go on to shout at another to change. At these moments, you have to revalue yourself, and by that, I mean you have to shift your identity to something new that matches your desired state of being. This can be done easily. As I told you in the earlier parts of the video, I will tell you a way that you can use to make this shift happen easily. So here it goes. To begin, you have to take some time out of your busy schedule. After this, you have to sit with a pen and a piece of paper, and on the top of it, write a name. It should be a new name, not your first or last name. Like a unique name that you give to an avatar in a game. It must be something you enjoy saying that gives you a new sense of light within you. Like Mark Sinclair changed his name to Vin Diesel to sound more like an action star. Elizabeth Stamatina Fey called herself Tina Fey. Now, I am not asking you to change your official name. It is just for manifestation purposes. All I am saying is to give yourself a nickname, as something that matches the vibes of the desired version of you. Let's say you choose Zane as your name. Now, in your mind, imagine Zane having those desired characteristics. Put them on paper. Write them as if you were creating a character for a movie script. Write this script about Zane. Is he fit? How often does he party? What is he good at? How do women treat him? How does he view the world? Is he a victim? Is he lucky in love? What is his financial status? Like this, write a play, but don't do it when you are occupied with something. Do it when you are completely free of any distraction. Start identifying yourself as this character. Before going to sleep every night, read about this character, and as you fall asleep, affirm that I am Zane. This character will be built over time. It is not a one-day job. Over time, you will make some additions and subtractions. Your life will begin to take shape as a result of these new identifications. You will manifest anything you desire. There are many other techniques you can use to change your identity, such as this one. As long as you live in this world, you need an identity. Your true nature is the one that has no identity, shape, or form. But when you are in this physical world, you have an identity. To have a human experience, you must first live in this world with an identity, and then choose the one that provides you with the best experience. So, I hope you learned something wonderful. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.